Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beach Delights. Today is the second part from the Fenals Beach in LLoret, Costa Brava. I hope you like this video as well as you liked before. My first part from Fenals Beach is one of my favorite beaches in Costa Brava. It's very neat and clean sand and crystal clear waters, and it's surrounded with beautiful greenery around the small cliffs backside of the beach. It's really amazing. I hope you like this video as well, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So enjoy that. Then okay. Acá inte kasta sand på folk. Yeah. Okay. Brand new.